Oh, he is a spot. Yeah, he does have a spot.
And he got the stripes.
Yep. Cool. Another croaker.
Now that's a croaker.
That's a croaker. It's probably another blue.
Oh, it's one of them, what do they call it?
Blowfish? You need a rag?
Yeah. I heard these things are really good eating.
I don't know. Look at that thing.
I don't know if you want to. Huh. I don't know if I want to touch it. Good looking trout, Keith. Good looking trout. I like it. I like it.
He might be a keeper. What, it's supposed to be 16?
That's a keeper all day.
Wow.
14, I think, is a keeper.
Just keep.
Oh, yeah.